Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on your time location. Please, if it is your first time to watch this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Amechism TV, subscribe to Pastor Stanley Official, so that each time I drop a video, you will just get it straight away. In this video particularly, I'll be showing you step by step on how to turn off call forwarding. Sometimes when people call you, they'll be complaining that someone else picked your call. Sometimes they will tell you that after calling you, the voice they were hearing was not yours. Yes, it's because your call forwarding is on. But on this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to remove it or how to turn it off so that you will not get such complaint again. But what you will do for me is to subscribe and also remember to drop your comment so that we will know the next thing you need and how to help you out. So let us go. I will show you step by step on how to turn off call forwarding from your phone. Let us go. When your call log is open, just as my own is, you can see my contacts, the number that have called me and the one I called, even the ones I missed. So when you open your call log like this, then you click to these three dots. Navigate to these three dots by the right side, by the top right side of your screen, just as this one is. When it turn on like this, you will see call history, enable auto call recording, then settings. Then go ahead to click settings. When your settings are on, just as this one is now, you go straight to calling account. You see from number 1, display option, we have dial pad sound effect, we have sounds and vibration, we have calling account, we have block numbers, we have voicemail, we have flash for calls, we have use the last SIM used in call history, etc. Now click calling account, which is number 4. When calling account is open like this, you can see MTN Nigeria here in SIM 1. You see MTN Nigeria here in SIM 2. Remember, in your own country, you may not have MTN, but it's still the same thing. The network you're using is what it will display. Now let us go for SIM 1, which is MTN Nigeria, although SIM 2 is also MTN Nigeria. Click SIM 1, which you want to remove the call forwarding. Click SIM 1 here. When you click the SIM 1 or you click the SIM you want to turn off the call vibration, the call forwarding, you see from number 1 here, voicemail, first dialing numbers, 3 calling forwarding or call forwarding, 4 call bearing, then the last one is additional settings. Then what you will do here is that you click call forwarding, which is the 3rd number. You will see how it is rolling. That is the same way it will roll. Your own phone might not delay like this, but my own is delaying because of memory card. Now listen and watch. You can see from number 1 it shows always forward, which means, do you want the number to always say call forwarding? Number 2, when busy, do you want your call to forward to another number when you are busy, which means when you are on call? Then number 3, when unanswered, anytime you miss call, the call will be forwarded to another number. Then the last one here, when unreachable, anytime network is not good, your call will be forwarded to another number. Now let's go for number 1. You can see all my own are off. Everything is off here. I don't want to make any number to be forwarding or something, so I'm clicking 1. You see when it is on like this, anytime you turn it up, because I don't have any number that is turned off or turned on, you can see by yourself here, I'm going to add another number from my contact list. You see this number here, these are the contacts I have on my phone. Now I'm going to add one number, EE. So you can see EE's number now. I will click turn on now. If I click turn on to roll this way, roll and roll and roll and roll. It is now being, if it calls me now, it will be forwarding. You understand? Each time he calls, my call or his call will be forwarding each time he calls me, because I've set it that way. Now I'm going to turn it off now, so that you will see how to be turning it off by yourself. This is how to turn it on, but I'm going to show you how to turn it off. Now look, if you click it this way, you can see the number now. If you like, you can clean it. I'm going to clean the number before turning it off. You can see here turn off, you can see cancel, you can see update. If you don't want to turn it off, you can click update. But if you want to turn it off, you simply click turn off, or you delete the number. Me, I'm going to delete it. I'm removing it. Now, as I have removed the number now, I will click turn off. I'll click turn off just as this one is. It will update. It will update as it is setting now. It will update the settings. Just exercise patience. Exercise patience. Let it roll. Let it roll, because this is the same way your own will be showing. So exercise patience for it to update itself. Now the number has been turned off. If you click it now, nothing is there. It is there, but it is not on again. If he calls me now, his call will not forward. So that is how to remove it. It is very simple. You can do it yourself. Anybody can do it. It is very simple to do. So that is it. Anytime you still want any number to keep forwarding, you can still use the same procedure to add it. Remember, I said you should subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time. But remember to subscribe, as I said. Do well to also send your comments, so that we will know how to correct something and also help you in another thing. God bless you.